Hello, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today I'm taking a look at the Accell USB-C 4K dock, and this is a driverless dock. Here's some more quick details. The further details and specifications will be in the description of the video, but you can go ahead and pause the video anytime to take a look. Basically, this is a driverless dock, can be used with Windows, Mac, and Android. It has two HDMI full-size ports. You can screen mirror up to 4K resolution. You can also screen share. And this USB-C port right here can handle 87 watts of power delivery power. And here's the main cable. It has metallic ends right there. And here are the three USB 3.1 Gen 2. Each has 10 gigabits of through output. So that's cool. And then it just has a vent port right there. We like the design of this a lot. It's metal, it's driverless, and it's easy to use. It's pretty much plug and play. This is from Accell. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.